Hi, my name is Dr. Wolfert, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the coronavirus. I'm sure you've heard an awful lot about this. Now, the coronavirus is really small. In fact, it's so small you can't see it with your eyes. You can't even see it with a microscope. You would actually need a special machine to see it. It's so small. And that's a problem because if you can't see it, it's hard to tell where it is. You also can't smell it or taste it. But the coronavirus likes to get into you through your nose or your mouth, and it can stay inside your nose or your mouth or your throat, and it can make you very sick. The weird thing about coronavirus is that when it gets into some people, they can't tell it's there. They don't get a sore throat or a stuffy nose or a fever or a cough. But if it's in there, they can give it to other people, even like when they're sick. So we need to protect ourselves against this coronavirus, and we need to protect other people because some people might have it inside of them and they don't even know they have it, and they can give it to someone else. Okay? So there are several things that we can do. In the doctor's office, we try to make it safe for our patients. There are lots of things that we can do. One thing is that when you go to the doctor or to the hospital, they may put on a gown and cover themselves up so that if someone sneezes or coughs on them, it doesn't get on their clothing. They could also wear gloves so that when they touch you or go to examine you, if they get coronavirus on their gloves, they can just throw their gloves away and keep the next person safe. And the other thing we can do is we can wear a mask. Now there's all kinds of masks. There's fancy masks and there's regular masks. But you can make your own mask at home. And even if you don't have a mask, if you wear a scarf or a bandana over your mouth, then when you cough or sneeze, you don't get the coronavirus on other people. And that's the most important thing. When you wear a mask, it's not so much so you don't get the coronavirus in, it's also so that you don't get the coronavirus out. So this is very important when you're in the doctor's office. However, you can do many things yourself to protect yourself and other people, especially people who are sick or older who might get really sick if they get the coronavirus. One thing you hear about is staying far apart from people. So Mr. Bear and I will want to stay 6 feet apart. Now for a grown-up, that's about 3 steps. So you can see here that I am about 6 feet away. That way, when I breathe, Mr. Bear won't catch the coronavirus from me, and if Mr. Bear breathes, I won't catch it from him. This is called social distancing, and we should try to do this wherever we are when we are outside of our house. The other things you want to do is you want to make sure that your hands don't have coronavirus on it, because you may accidentally touch something like your cell phone or someone else's cell phone, or even a doorknob or the handle to get in the car. Someone before you might have touched it and put coronavirus there. So you don't want to get it on your hands and then touch your face, or when you go to eat, put it into your mouth. So what you want to do is you want to keep your hands as clean as you can. Now you can do that by just washing your hands. Now you need to wash your hands very carefully, and it takes about 20 seconds to get the coronavirus off your hands. And that's like singing happy birthday really slow twice, or maybe regular speed 3 whole times. So if you like to say it really fast, you have to sing it 3 times. And make sure you get in between all of your fingers to wash your hands. Now, the other way you could do it is you can use a hand sanitizer if you have some. And make sure you put a lot on your hands, and make sure you rub it in between all your fingers until it's all dry. The other thing to do is the same thing we do in the doctor's office. When you go outside, put your mask on or your own special bandana or face covering. And when you go outside, wear it all the time so that you don't breathe on other people, and that if they breathe on you, you don't get the coronavirus inside. And just remember, stay 6 feet away from everyone and keep your whole family safe. Again, I'm Dr. Wolfert. Thank you very much.